Hey, to add event to calendar on the Samsung S24 FE, first of all, you will have to open a calendar application. And right now you can pick any day that you want. So let's say that I want to set for next month, maybe for this day. So now I will have to click on the plus in the right upper corner. By the way, if you want to go forward like 1 or 2 years, then you can simply click right here and open the year calendar. Take a look. And now we can actually quickly swipe between the years. So this is what I forgot to mention. But now let's pick the random day, select with your finger, click on the plus in the right bottom corner. First of all, you will have to set the title, and you can even add some kind of the stickers, emojis, and you can change the color of the event. Now you can set if you want to get this event for all day, or for example, from a specific time, so from 8 to 9 a.m. Also, you can add location, you can input this manually, or you can use map. You can share this to your family calendar, to Samsung calendar, to your calendars. And right here, you can set an alert. You can also turn it off if you want, but you can also get it like 10 minutes before, 1 hour, 1 day, or you can set custom time range. Here you can even set repeat, like every year, every month, every week. In this place you can add notes into this event. You can even add video conference, you can add some attachments, you can invite someone, you can set visibility so you can get it private or public, now busy or free, and you can set the time zone. Once you actually finish, click save, and as you can see, that's how your event looks in the calendar. Thanks for watching.